ki khubor ka batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan looms hop ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Ka Sorkar jela haduk menta kadang Bishar banyak Shwa bin pebin. Shwa ban shim ya karai ban Khang Khyrdep no ya ki Skul ki Duna ha ka jingdon jong ki Khynnah Skul. Ha ka jing ya keren bat kilat pathai khubor uba lak men rumbui uba longru menteri jong ka Sorkar jela uba pet ya ka tanat pulei puthi. Ula ong nakadaw ka jingwan sar jong ka khlam jingpang Covid khat khandai ka Sorkar ka lahap an pensenge no ya ka ni ka jing thumu. Shosho ula ongru balada ka Sorkar kan Khang Khyrdep ya kum gini ki Skul. Kinong hikai kin ngat ha ka jingsha penduk kam bat day na kani kadaw ba ka Sorkar kadang wat yikilat kilenti bat kadang Bishar banyak Shwa bin pebin Shwa ban shim ya kanogono karai ka bakhat do.
All this started, but the thing is that to take a decision we keep on hold because of this pandemic. So now we have to revisit and what is the scenario on that particular time, and now it is quite different. Who knows? The school which do not have the student at that point of time, maybe this time it has more students. So we have to revisit again as per the record of 2019. So if it's changed today, that's why I tell you, if the dynamic change today, that I cannot say. That's why we have to revisit again. Whether the figure of that year, it is still the same or there's a change as of today.
So do you?
And those government schools we have to relocate the teachers to the school which they require teachers. See, school is a government school, and school is a community school. So it is only we have to see how, why. Because in the first place, when they said the school, they said because it is demanded there, and why the enrollment is not there. So until and unless the community themselves provide us with the data, it's very difficult for us to go deep into what happened. And as you know, the people may say that oh, there is a school, but since there is no school building, so there are so many issues which encompass into that thing. So what is that issue? So we are studying it, and whatever decision we will take,